So here we have someone with a pixie. Oh my goodness. Oh, she looks beautiful. She did the two-tone blonde and black. I love her makeup too. Then we have someone who wants to go strawberry blonde. So we're seeing a lot of variations of red hair colors this year, 2024. So a nice way to kind of mix things up during the spring season is definitely by going with more of like a reddish blonde color, which would be in the strawberry blonde family. I think that this is a great hue to try out if you want something different. So the hair was cut as well, and bam, she ended up getting this gorgeous strawberry blonde bob. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this. Such a cute, fun style, especially for the summer. Very pretty. And then here we have someone with long mid-back length hair, and the stylist chops the hair off into a gorgeous bob makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.